In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert picture strip layout in Excel. If you've ever wanted a quick, polished way to display images in a neat band right inside your worksheet, this built-in option makes it fast and consistent. We'll start with a worksheet that already has at least one picture on it. First, click the picture to select it. When an image is selected, you'll see small sizing handles around it, and the ribbon will reveal the Picture Format tab. If that tab doesn't appear, make sure you clicked directly on the image and not on a cell nearby. With the picture selected, go to the Picture Format tab and choose the Picture Layout button. This opens a gallery of SmartArt picture layouts. These layouts arrange your images automatically, apply balanced spacing, and add optional text areas, so you don't have to manually line things up. Click the button to open the full set of choices. In the gallery, find and click Picture Strips. This layout places your images in a clean, film strip style row with consistent sizing, which is great for before and after shots, product highlights, or a small showcase. As soon as you apply it, Excel converts your selection into a SmartArt graphic. Your image is still there. It's just placed inside a structured layout you can customize. You'll notice placeholders where more pictures and captions can live. If you want to add pictures, click one of the picture icons inside the strip and choose an image from your device, or drag and drop an image right onto that placeholder. Repeat on the remaining placeholders to build out the strip. You can click any default text to add short labels, or leave it blank if you prefer a cleaner look. The layout automatically keeps everything aligned and evenly spaced as you add content. A few quick tips to polish the result. You can resize the entire strip by dragging its outer border, and the elements scale together. If a photo needs reframing, select it and use Crop on the Picture Format tab to adjust what shows in the placeholder. For a coordinated style, open the SmartArt Design tab to try different color variations while keeping the same layout. And to keep your workbook responsive, consider using reasonably sized images. Very large files can slow things down. That's it. Click the picture, open Picture Layout, choose Picture Strips, and add any extra photos you want. Save your workbook, and you're ready to share a clean, professional image strip right inside Excel.